Because you too
Fits where the
you too
where the glue fits.
Woo! Party time!
Go, dog daddies, go. Gotta run and fight and do what's right. His bark is mighty like his bite. Go, dog daddies, go. We don't know exactly what that means, but when evil schemes make people scream, oh no. Go, 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 dog daddies. Go, dog daddies, go. Daddies, go. Dog daddies, go.
I'd like to speak to the manager.
No, hey, shh, shh, shh. If you're gonna catch that cat, you wanna play. Go get it! Bruh. Oh, Mayor.
PD escaped again,
Again?
again,
Again?
escaped again,
Again?
again,
Again?
yet again,
Again? Again? Again?
again,
Again?
again,
Again?
yet again.
Again? Right, that's it. I got you. You should see your face. Oh, dog man. I got you. You should see your face.
I have had it.
The strongest weapon.
A child?
Hey.
I am so sorry about that.
Dogman has got to go. Dogman jail.
Yo, wait. Mayor, dog man is secretly in love with you.
Oh,
Flip it. What about flip it? Might be secretly in love with you. I think he loves me.
I will sue you.
What?
call this number.
Yeah, Graceful! Is Fred there?
It's my mother's birthday.
You're fired! Good morning, my neighbors! And you! Yes! Yes! You too! Get up!
You're kidding me, right? In my lobby?
What is that? Is that a yes? What is that?
Yes, I'm sorry, I do not speak English, okay.
What is that? Is that a yes? What is that?
Would you marry me?
What? Well... Let us destroy you too.
What happens then?
Well, nothing, if I'm being totally honest.
Why?
Because, alright, I was mad.
Why?
Because I want to.
Why?
Because no one likes me, do they?
Why?
Because he's a jerk.
Why?
Because I want to.
Here you go, Mr. Whiskers. Respect.
How did I get here?
Papa! Papa!
I am your papa.
It's not true. That's impossible. No!
Shut up, baby! Stop crying right now! Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up!
Hello.
You're back. Finally. This next street me.
No, I came to annoy you. Behold.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up!
Hello.
You're back. Finally. This next street me.
No, I came to annoy you.
Behold.
Flippy? Flippy!
Get away from him, you fish!
Oh, you poor little thing.
But I learned something really important. Seamus can be mean.
You were in big trouble, young man.
The Butt Sniffer 2000!
Don't show that one. You know how bad this is for my development? I'm like 1 minute old.
Guard that fish. No, man. How we gonna fix this?
I'm miserable! Les poissons, how I love les poissons!
Then you rub some salt in, cause that makes it taste nice.
Okay.
I'm gonna kill him!
You got a lot of nose hairs.
What? You have one job to do. Keep your eyes on those monitors. So if somebody breaks out your favorite chew toy and waves it around, you look at the monitor. And if somebody has a juicy and delicious treat, you look at the monitor. And if somebody just happens to have an Eastern gray squirrel, oh yeah.
Look what I can do.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the...